Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to connect to Nvidia. So let's get started. First important thing that you need to do is that make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. So if you're not, then you gotta make sure that you switch to a strong Wi-Fi network, and then you gotta go to any of the browser and search for any application or website that you want. For example, I have searched for YouTube, and if it is loading correctly, then after that you gotta head over and open Nvidia and it should work. If that doesn't work, then you need to clear cache of Nvidia. In order to do so, you gotta press Windows plus R and you gotta type in services.msc. So just press OK and wait for it to get loaded in front of you. So here you're gonna search for Nvidia containers. You can search for Nvidia container and Nvidia local container. So once you do find those, you gotta simply right click on them and you can click on refresh, or you can also click on restart. So once you have refreshed and restart, your issue will be resolved. If that doesn't help as well, you gotta head over to your task manager. So simply right click over here and head over to task manager. Here you'll be able to see numerous programs. So you gotta search for each and every program of Nvidia, and you need to make sure to end that task. So once you have ended all of the tasks of Nvidia, you'll be able to see the issue is resolved. Then you gotta simply uninstall Nvidia and reinstall it. So you're going to click on this search over here and type in control panel. So once you're here in control panel, you're going to click on programs and click on programs and features. Here you're going to search for Nvidia and simply uninstall that program. And then you're going to go to a new bar and you're going to search for download Nvidia GeForce. Here you're going to scroll down and select your device, either Windows or Mac. Simply click on download and simply download the Nvidia GeForce. So once it's installed, everything will be refreshed and you're good to go. If that doesn't help as well, then you can go to a new tab and search for Nvidia drivers. And you can download each and every driver yourself manually. That will basically bypass the GeForce dependency. So those were some of the few ways how you can fix unable to connect to Nvidia. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.